Alright, what's up guys? So today I'm going to show you how to field strip and reassemble the JTS X12PT. Alright, so first we're going to start just by unscrewing this. And from there we're just going to take our barrel off, set it aside. If you want to clean it, you can clean it. I already cleaned mine. And then from here, we'll pull this forward. And what you want to do is, it's hard to see, but you're going to have to push this up, and inside there's a little notch. And you got to squeeze on it. Pull. A little tricky. There we go. Alright. There you go. There's the bolt carrier group. And here's the pump. Now if it comes off, or you drop it when you take it off, which happens a lot. You're gonna take it this way. So flip that side up, okay. And you're gonna put the bolt carrier group that way. And see this thing sticking out right here? You want that facing outwards towards the ejection port. So now what we're gonna do is put the pump back on. Alright. And then we gotta put the bolt carrier group, line it up with the notches. And what you wanna do, it's tricky. You just gotta find the perfect positioning for yours to slide in. And then once again, you gotta press that thing down here. And then just push really hard. There we go. Alright. So, now put the barrel back on. You want the front silver part facing forward. And then, see those little knots? You want that to line up. Line up like that. Push it back all the way until, take it back just a little bit. See the little notch right there? Went all the way back. That's how you know. Good. And just put the cap back on. Sorry about that. Alright, and she's ready to go. It's clear. Pump. Sorry. That's how you take apart and reassemble JTS X12PT. See you guys on the next side.